Hey, it's Mardi Gras season in St. Louis. I'm Chef Travis Parfait with my wife Pam at Sister Cities Cajun. Today we're going to show you our award-winning shrimp and grits.
Let's get back in the kitchen. I'll show you how it's done. We're starting with our shrimp and grits today, a dish that we associate with Cajun food in Louisiana. Ours is a slightly different take on shrimp and grits. We melt down a compound butter that we make in-house using garlic, some of our signature rub and sauces.
Alright, so we're going to get the butter nice and hot before we add our shrimp and a little bit of our Cajun rub, which is our flavor profile on salt, pepper, garlic for the protein. The trick with this dish is to keep the shrimp moving and not to scorch the fresh garlic that's in the butter or actually scorch the butter around the edge of the pan.
We came up with this take on shrimp and grits is slightly non-traditional. Travis, growing up in Louisiana, he ate shrimp and grits as a kid, and it was a totally different style of meal. He likes to say that if you were eating shrimp and grits, it meant you didn't have a lot of money or someone didn't feel like cooking. So we decided to sort of reinvent the dish, and we use a cotija cheese that we fold into the grits, and we hand patty them and make these gorgeous little grit cakes.
That was probably one of my biggest pet peeves as a kid, was just a bowl of grits. You got to try to find some black pepper or some cheese or something to fold into it to make it edible. I always thought that wasting shrimp on grits was just a shame. So we use our barbecue butter, our compound butter, and we finish it with a clam bechamel. And when you sear the grit cakes, it gives you like that edge of a grilled cheese texture on the bottom of the cake, but you still get the fluffy and airy of the grits in the middle. We really like to put our own spin on some of the classics here, since, you know, I grew up south of New Orleans, so some of the things that were very popular in New Orleans I wasn't exposed to, and we're in St. Louis. We're trying to put a little bit of St. Louis in there.